Here we are at number 29 Woodpecker Way. Got a garage to the front of the property with a driveway leading to the front garden, which has been beautifully landscaped. Let's take a look inside. Upon entering the property, got a spacious entrance hallway with the staircase rising to the first floor. Got a useful downstairs cloakroom in here, beautifully tiled. And also off the hallway you can access the sitting room at the front of the property. And this room also benefits from an understairs storage cupboard. Flows nicely through to the kitchen dining room at the rear. Got a beautiful kitchen with a matching range of units to eye and base level, with a central island, all integrated appliances, the dining area to this side, and a beautiful set of doors leading out onto the rear garden. Really good entertaining space in here. Let's take a look upstairs. Up on the first floor, got a good sized landing with a storage cupboard in there. Got bedroom 2 at the front of the property in here. Really good size double bedroom with 2 windows overlooking the front. Got a range of built-in wardrobes, and it also benefits from a storage cupboard there as well. Got the family bathroom in here, modern suite, all fully tiled. And the bath with the shower over there. We've got bedroom 3 at the rear of the property, currently set up as a dressing room. And through here leads to the principal suite on the second floor. Got plenty of built-in storage under the stairs there. Let's take a look upstairs. Up on the second floor, got a large principal suite. Really good size bedroom to this end, with a beautiful ensuite shower room. Got a large walk-in shower there, all beautifully tiled. Let's take a look outside. Here we are out in the rear garden. It's been beautifully landscaped by the current owners. It's all enclosed on all sides, feeling very private and secluded. Got various seating terraces, including the one at the rear of the property there, and another as the garden continues at the rear here. Perfect for entertaining. There's also side gate access round to the front of the property on the right there. And if you'd be interested in arranging a viewing, please give us a call at Mansell McTaggart in Uckfield.